National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Lee County in east central Alabama, southeastern Chambers County in east central Alabama, until 4:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:31 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Oak Bowery to near Tuskegee, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Auburn, Opelika, Riverview, Beulah, Beauregard, Beans Mill, Auburn University, Fairfax, Locapoca, Robert G. Pitts Airport, Chewacla State Park, and Mount Jefferson. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern and east central Alabama. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in